Hi, good morning, Dave.
Good morning.
Yeah, today is Sunday, so every Sunday is exciting day for me because today is my freedom day. Oh, I starting my day from this place every morning on Sunday, even every day from this place. This place is very important for me. Why? Because I'm spending 1 hour every day on this place to have a fitness of my body, to take care of my body. So every morning I'm coming at this place, and this place is one of my best favorite place where I'm doing some exercise, yoga, meditations, everything to enhance my body and brain level. So I thought on Sunday, so I should do something. So I'm making one video. I thought that on which subject I should make a video. Today is with me Mr. Dev. Dev is been with me last 7-8 years, and now he's my partners in big project textile business which we are operating from India. And I thought I said, and in fact now Dev is my cameraman. Yes, Dev?
Yes.
Yeah, so he knows my journey, how we started, how we have struggled. So I thought on which subject I should make a video today. And I thought, why should I not make a video on network marketing industry? What is exactly network marketing? And I'm not joined any network marketing, but I'm observing this industry last 10 years. I have seen people who are struggling in this industry, and I have find out exact solution for them. So that why all these people are struggling in network marketing, I find out that in any corporate, in any organization, company, if suppose one national head, how they are recruiting, what is the process of recruiting in corporate worlds? If suppose they have recruited unexperienced person, incompetent person, what is going to happen to that organization? What is going to happen to that organization? Tell me. That is same thing is happening in every network marketing companies. They are, recruiting the peoples. 99% people who are working in network marketing, they are incompetence. They are selling dreams. You can get in next 5 years, you can financial freedom. You can get a car, you can have a nice home. I have seen people doing struggle after attending so many training programs, even they are building their dreams. As time is going, they have nothing in that industry. Why? Because their recruiting process is very wrong. Instead, I recruited one gentleman who is working, he is getting 5,000 salary, and which kind of people he is going to recruit? Simple. I have seen in network marketing, they made a job in network marketing, honestly. Come with tempo. You are in tempo, network marketing, you will be billionaires, you will be millionaires. So, they are coming with, wearing the slippers, saying I am a diamond, I am a crown, I am this and that. I am entrepreneurs. I am asking these questions. What? These entrepreneurs, Dhirubhai Ambani, Anil Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, where they will go if you all become entrepreneurs? You need to understand this business. See, every business need a skill, process, and if everyone become a businessman, then who will do the other things? So this is the issue with network marketing. That's why, like me, there are so many people in India. They know the passive income. They know the importance of passive income. But why they are not joining network marketing? Because these kind of people who all are working in this industry, they spoil the image of network marketing. That's why people have a fear. And that's why all people who are working in network marketing, their self-image is very low. Because all their association, coming with sleepers, talking big things, Mercedes, BMW. Then, and I have seen 10 years they are working in network marketing, they have nothing in their life. I can tell you, don't waste your time. If you really want to build a business, you think like a business, you think like a businessman, you be entrepreneurs. There are so many ways of making a passive incomes. I know this network marketing is a good business, it's a franchising module where you can leverage. But the image of network marketing is a very, very bad right now. That's why good people are not coming. As I said, you can report to anyone because. As I said, I asked the one question. If a good organization recruit a national sales head, unexperienced people who are coming with sleepers, what is going to happen to that organization? Yeah, tell me. What is going to happen? Organization will die. And the same thing is happening in network marketing. So number one, what supposed to do to change these modules? And definitely every network marketing company like Amway or any maybe other companies, they damage their brand. Because who makes the brand? People makes the brand, and the quality of recruiting people are very low. Their thinking process is not a businessman, and I have seen after leaving the network marketing, they are nothing in their own field. What you have to do? Number one, recruit a good people who have a business mentality, who have a business entrepreneurship mentality. Number second, hang out with the good people. It's not an easy module. Understand? So think like entrepreneurs. I hope I have enjoyed this video, and every morning, every Sunday, I'm enjoying to making this video because I love this camera. I love it. I want to be one of the best speaker around the world, and I want to tell the truth of the people. I want to be honest myself. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.